welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Sarah. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to gain blood. If you have been shorting of blood, like if you need more blood in your body and you want to have a lot of blood in your body without you going to the hospital, you guys know that healthy is life. You need to look healthy before you can talk about any other thing in this life. So I'm going to be introducing the ingredients that we have to you all. Okay, so here we have our cucumber. Cucumber can help your blood to flow. Okay, can help you in your weight loss. It can help you for food digestion. It can help you to control your appetite. Okay, so this we have mango. Mango as well contains vitamins that is good in your body, nutrients, minerals, and a lot more. Okay, so here we have our grapes. So grapes can help your blood to flow very well. So grapes have one of the best benefits for blood flowing. Okay, so the main thing that we are going to be adding today is our beetroot. Okay, beetroot contains vitamin C. It contains vitamin C, it contains vitamin B9, and it contains protein. It contains a lot of benefits. Okay, beetroot can help your blood to flow very well, and beetroot can help you to control your appetite. It can help you with your healthy living. It can help your body, and it can help you to control your blood pressure. Okay, so those are the benefits of the fruit that we are going to be using today for our blood. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be taking today because everybody will need more blood in our body. Okay, so we are going to be adding ginger as well. All right, I'm going to be adding my beetroot into my blender. So after adding your beetroot, you add your cucumber. So after that, I'm going to add my mango and ginger together. Okay, then the next thing that I'm going to be adding is my grapes. I'm going to be adding my grapes inside. So after that, what you need to do, have a cup of water, add it to it because you are going to be blending together. Okay, so guys, after blending, I'm going to remove it now. Yes, this is what we have for today to my cup. It's really good for your blood, guys. It's really going to help you a lot. For those of you that is shorting of blood, for those of you that really need blood in your body, it's really going to help you a lot. Okay, and it can also help in building immunity system. Okay, all right guys, so this is what we are having today. I'm going to taste now. So guys, this one is so good. I didn't add honey to this one. I love to take it like this because of my blood and my body. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified.